Hi, hello, good day, ma'am, sir. I am Ana Maynina, 28 years old, Filipino. My religion is Christian. I am separated. I have one child, 9 years old. I have one sister. I am the youngest. I am undergraduate of information technology. I have experience working as domestic helper in Philippines. My duties are keep the house clean and tidy, cleaning out appliances and furnitures, wash dishes, washing, ironing clothes, marketing, cooking. I can cook Filipino food. I love taking care of children. I prepare them healthy food on time, prepare them snacks for their school, give them vitamins, medicines based on doctor's prescription, help them take a bath, send them to school, fetch them after school, make sure to clean them before going to bed, play with them, read them stories, love them as my own children. Mom, sir, please hire me. I promise that I do my best and serve your family very well. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.